Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you very delicious pizza sauce, which I prepared the pizza dough. But today I'm not going to show how to do the pizza. It's rice. I'm going to leave it. But today I'm going to just show you the sauce that I make. So what do? We get olive oil, which I do always olive oil. This is organic oil, but doesn't matter. Good olive oil you have to put. I have over here, let's put the fire on. I have big one onion, which I chopped it very, very small. You can even later on, if you want, you can blend it before, like with the tomato and everything, and then cook. But I usually do like this way on a stove. It will do even better taste. Now, you need one onion. Over here you see the tomatoes. There is like the red grown on vine. It's about 6 of them, 6, 7, doesn't matter, as much as you like, it's fine. We have garlic, which I love to put garlic. I'm making plenty so I can use this for a pizza, at the same time leftover for next day for pasta or any kind of dish you want, you can use it. I have to guarantee that it will do very good job when you buy it, when you make it homemade, instant to buy it from the jar. Homemade, it's always good. Sometimes emergency we can use it, but I think when you make it at home, homemade, it will be even better, tastier. So the seasonings, I have over here marroquin, I have over here oregano, over here I have what they call, I forgot. Well, that's a za'atar I call, which we make manage za'atar. We use this seasoning in it with the sesame seed. It gives very delicious taste and very good smell. And I put a little bit paprika in case you like to put some chili, it's fine. And 1 little teaspoon you can put tomato paste to give a little color. It's optional if you want. And a little salt you need to put. And salt always you can put it at the end. This is the paprika. This is the oregano. And when you cook them all together, it will give really, really good taste. So what the onion you have to do, you have to make it translucent. You don't have to make it brown. You just make translucent. Cook a little bit, about like 3 minutes. And after that, and then I use usually parsley too, because parsley give very delicious taste in it. Again, if you want, you can put. If no, you don't have to, but I'll guarantee you it makes it very, very good taste. This is the garlic. You might think it's a lot, but it's not. It's 1 head garlic it is. The garlic, it will give the taste and a smell. Its aroma, it's very, very, very tasty. You can put after the onion, the garlic, because the garlic, it will fry fast and it gets bitter taste when you put before the onion. Or when you do it very little, not too much. But with the onion, it's fine. It will give all the taste. I just crushed it a little bit just to give the taste out, the smell and the taste. Okay. So this sauce, like I said, in case if you're not going to use it, you can put in a jar in a refrigerator. Make sure you have a little salt. In a week, it's good to use it because there is no preservative in it or anything in it. So you don't want to mess it up. So before I put the tomato and a basil, the parsley, I'm going to put the seasonings because I want the seasonings to cook, to fry with it, and it gives more the aroma and the taste out. When you put in a liquid, it doesn't give the taste as good as when it's dry, when it's before the tomatoes. You can put about teaspoon. We need paprika, about teaspoon is fine. And we need teaspoon, make sure that it's clean your spoon, tomato paste. I'm going to mix this, let it fry, because that's how the smell and all the delicious things it goes into the onion and in the garlic. Oh, I can smell it. Beautiful. Now I will put my tomato paste. There we go. And even the tomato paste, let it cook. Let it fry in the oil. All right, now I'm gonna put my marjoram, the fresh one. It will, especially when it's fresh from the garden, you can smell it more. Now that I can see, it's almost like you can see how much the onion loosen it up. Now I have to put my tomato. It smells so good. You should be here and enjoy the food. As a matter of fact, I have a guest. She's sitting and waiting. And now I'm going to put my parsley at the same time. I'm going to just let it saute for 2 minutes. And then I'm going to cover on it with very little water. And it's going to be cooked. And I don't put them in a blender to make puree, because it's going to cook with the liquid. It's going to already, when you cut the tomatoes, make sure you cut them very, very small. So when you cook that, it already becomes like a puree. Now, I'm going to put not so much salt. In case if you need it, you can always add. There you go. Smells delicious. You can use this sauce for anything you want. You can use it for pasta, you can use for beans, you can use anything. Even if you want to put, you can put chili in it, but with pasta, we can, for the pizza, we can slice chili pepper on it, green pepper, and that's how they will enjoy it. Because sometimes the pizza people, they don't like to eat too spicy. They can put if they want it. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit water, maybe about half a teacup, or let's see, about 1 teacup water it is. I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna cook this at least 25 to 30 minutes. Very, very, very little simmering. So this way, just like a candle. So this way, it will give and leave all the taste and seasonings, aroma inside. So we're gonna cover now. All right, let me see. All right, we're gonna cover it like this, and we're gonna 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna simmer it maximum 30 minutes, half hour. And then we will come back and we're gonna see how good it's gonna be. All right, we'll be back and I'm gonna show you how tasty pizza sauce it comes. All right, now I wanna show you how delicious and how good is this pizza sauce. So this is the way it's gonna cook, and this thickness is beautiful. You don't want too much watery liquid. This is perfectly fine. So now we're gonna turn it off, and then it's gonna get a little cooler so we can put on a pizza. You cook it in a lower heat, about 30 minutes, and it will be ready. Now that I have a guest, I'm not gonna wait too long, but I wanna show you that how is gonna be the sauce. We're gonna put just like this. We don't want too much liquid. You're gonna let the liquid goes away and spread it like this. It's always good to get a little bit like room temperature, but I don't have too much time. My guest is here, she's waiting, and it will be still be able to cook. We're gonna put the sauce, we're gonna put the cheese, and the pizza will be ready. So this is kind of the thickness it will be, and it's gonna give very delicious taste, and it's gonna be beautiful. So anyway, this is how much I wanted to show you the sauce. This is how it's gonna look. Well, I want to thank you very, very much. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and like. And I will continue with my guests to cook and bake. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.